Okay, so if you've ever tried to keep a plant alive, even just a simple houseplant, you know that feeling, right? You see a little spot on a leaf, maybe some yellowing around the edges, and the panic starts to creep in. What's wrong with it? And more importantly, how do you fix it before it's too late?
It's so frustrating, isn't it? That feeling of helplessness as this living thing you've been nurturing starts to fail and you're just left guessing. Does it need more water? Less sun? Is it some kind of bug, a disease? You just don't know.
And look, this isn't just about a sad-looking basil plant on the windowsill. For small-scale farmers and really passionate gardeners, plant diseases are a huge deal. They can wreck crop yields, affecting livelihoods and even our food supply.
So this really gets to the heart of the problem, a dilemma that pretty much every person with a green thumb faces, from the total beginner to the seasoned pro.
See, here's the thing. Catching a problem early is everything, but getting a real, accurate diagnosis usually means calling in an expert. And that's not always easy, or cheap, or fast. By the time you finally figure out what's actually wrong, the damage might already be done.
But what if you could have that expert right in your pocket? Well, that's where this really cool student project comes into play. It's designed to solve this exact problem. So let's dive into LeafScan. It's such a simple but powerful idea to make expert-level plant care knowledge accessible to everyone, anytime, anywhere. It's about taking that specialized knowledge and putting it in the hands of the people who need it most.
So how's it gonna work? Well, the goals are pretty clear. First, you just snap a picture of a leaf, and the app's AI gets to work looking for signs of disease or pests. Second, it doesn't just spit out a scientific name, it gives you actual, practical advice that's tailored to your plant and even your local weather. And finally, it keeps a health record so you can see how your plant is doing over time.
Now, let's walk through what this actually looks like for you, the user. The whole thing is designed to be super simple so anyone can use it.
The process is incredibly straightforward. You kick things off by uploading a photo of the leaf you're worried about. Then, the system's AI, convolutional neural network, starts analyzing that image. In just a few moments, it identifies a potential disease, and this is important. It tells you how confident it is in that diagnosis. Finally, you get that customized advice, which even takes your local weather data into account to help you treat the problem effectively.
So let me explain how our system handles image uploading part. So from the front end, user can go to this plant diagnosis, and after that, user can click on this and select the image that user want to analyze, and after that, user can pick this analyze plant disease button to further proceed. So the thing is, after clicking this pick button, system asks for location permission. The user can either allow or deny it. If the user allows, their latitude and longitude are saved in our local storage. Okay. So since I did this before, it didn't ask for location permission this time. Okay, then after that, I can upload the image to our image to analyze. So yeah, so it will take some time because there are so many things happen behind the scene. First, the image pre-processed, and after that, it will send it to the pre-trained AI model. So the then model analyze the image and return the disease name, confidence score, indicating how sure about the prediction. So and also if the user give the location access, so here we can see the prediction and the plant, disease name, confidence level, and the description and the care recommendation.
Our system provides an additional community forum service where users can collaborate and connect with each other and share ideas, experiences, and questions they have. So you can access the forum from our navbar or from our dashboard. So by clicking these buttons, you can go to our forums page where you can find posts written by other users. So we provide the functionality to search using keywords, and also the functionality for deep search where you can full text search the body and title of the post. So by scrolling down, you can see the posts written by other users on different topics and different plants. And so by clicking on a post, you will be able to read the whole content and view the images related to that post. So here you can view the full post and the related images in a big manner, and you can also see the comments from other users related to these posts. You can upload or download these posts to share your thoughts, like whether you agree with posts or like which is relevant to the user, or you can download it if it's not appropriate or irrelevant to the system. And you can also share your thoughts or answers for that post in the comment box, or like what do you think about, or share any solutions. You can post a comment and you can view the comment you posted, and the upvoting and downvoting functionality is also provided for comments, so people can check the relevancy and authenticity of the comment, and only the user who posted the comment will be able to edit or delete that comment. So we provide that functionality as well, so you can just click the edit button and change the comment and save it. And also the deletion process is permanent, and you cannot retrieve your comments once your comment is deleted. So these are the methods you use to read the post, and you can also share your thoughts and ideas or any experiences or questions as your own post. So you need to fill in the required title and content, and you can add optional plant name, tags and images related to the post. So you can provide the relevant plant name so it is easier for other users to search and filter out the post. You can add relevant text so the other users can easily filter it and find what they need. And you can optionally add up to 5 images related to the post, so you can add different angles of the disease of a diseased plant leaf, and you can also remove the images you have added mistakenly, and you can publish the post. Now your post is updated and other users can view and give you solutions. And similarly, the author can only edit and delete the post, and every user can share the post by copying the link. So you can edit any content related to the post. You can add new tags or change the title or the body or the plant name. And you can also change the images, like removing the images and uploading new images, but you cannot exceed the image limit of 5. Once you done the changes, you can save the post. And similarly, you can also you can view the changes you have made, and you can also delete the post. So these are the functionalities related to the forum search.
Let's talk about our history service. So in here our main target is basically it gives clear and organized record of all past prediction and helps users manage their plant disease diagnosis history efficiently. So user can always see their past diagnosis history from this history page. So how it works is when after user upload an image from image uploading service, it will send to our model for disease prediction. The model processes the image, identify disease, and generates the necessary care advices for the farmers. It will generating. Okay. So once prediction and service are ready, all of the details that are show in this page will store in our history service. So to see our history, let's go to the dashboard and let's go to my history here. So the history of the users can see from here. So in the history section, user can see their previous uploaded images with the detail such as confidence level, plant name, and disease name. And also when you go to our view full details, they can see the same, like they say confidence level and the date, detected issue, plant, and description. In there they can see the care advices and the other details. And also additionally, we have added some useful features like sorting by date or confidence level.
So the system provides the functionality to view the current weather and the weather forecast for the next 7 days through a weather page. So you can access the weather page via our dashboard, and once you visit the page, it will ask for location access. So once you allow it, the system will start to fetch the current weather data and the forecast for the next 7 days and show it in the UI. So as you can see, the system has fetched the data and showing the current location of yours and the current weather data, and also the forecast for the next 7 days is shown here, and all the parameters that affect the plant's health the most included in this table, and you can plan your care activities efficiently using this data. So if you think the location is not accurate enough or there's an error in the location fetching, you may enter the location manually. So you have to enter the city and country and hit save location, and it will fetch the current weather data and the forecast data for the location you have just entered and update the URL. As you can see, it has fetched the new data, so it shows the location and the current weather and the weather forecast for the next few days.
Finally, we are going to introduce the LeafBot AI assistant. LeafBot is a part of our intelligent disease prediction system. It is designed to help farmers and researchers to respond to their questions about plant diseases. So this is basically a RAG application. So for retrieval, we have used PICE as our data vector database, All-Mini LM A6V2 as our embedding model, and finally Gemini as our LLM to do the reasoning and natural language generation part. Let's see it in action. So I'm going to ask, what are the symptoms of tomato early blight? Loading. As you can see, LeafBot retrieves relevant data from our knowledge base and gives a concise, scientifically accurate explanation. So that's all about LeafBot.